Hey guys, welcome to my WeBull app review of the WeBull investing app. So let me first get out of the way. I am no way affiliated with WeBull, and I have portfolios in both Robinhood and WeBull. If you guys would like to get 2 free stocks, feel free to sign up with WeBull using my referral link. You get 1 free stock for opening the account, and you get the second free stock after depositing $100 or more. Okay, so I have my account on WeBull basically just to purchase a bunch of dividend stocks. Is WeBull good for dividend investing? So that's the perspective I'm going to look at. I'm going to show you guys a couple key features that I really like about the WeBull investing apps in terms of doing research for dividend investing. So first off, I'm just in the center icon, and you can see if you want to make a deposit, the option is there. You could also check your performance of your portfolio. So this I really like. In addition to, you can see how much you've made in terms of your dividend earnings. So you could just click on it and it'll show you a breakdown of all the money that you've earned from dividends off of your stocks. So again, just going back. So that's one feature I really like about WeBull for dividend investing. And it does a great job showing you your balance in addition to just showing you how much profit and loss you've gained. Potentially the best thing about the WeBull app is how much information it gives you. So I'm going to go over to my watch list, and as you can see, it's just showing me my positions, and you could also make a bunch of different watch lists. For example, I have a list for dividend stocks that I could potentially invest in, just waiting for it to dip a little bit. I have a watch list for my top picks. It defaults to your current positions. So let's look into Ford as if you were trying to do research on it and you didn't know anything about Ford, how much it pays in dividends. So let's click on it. And this is the screen that you guys will see. You'll see that I'm recording this video while the market is currently live. And you'll see at the very top the ranges of the day and the volume. And then you could filter it out to 5 days, 1 month, whatever period you would like. And if you wanted to place a limit order, you could just hold on to where you want to place the limit order. And then say if I want to purchase it for $4.43, I just hold it at that point, and then I could hit buy, or I could even sell it if I want to sell it at that particular price. So scrolling down, you'll see all of this information here, which is amazing for this app that just, to me, it's relatively new. And if you scroll over to the right, you could just see a bunch of news articles that's coming out about it. And then you could see a bunch of comments that people are currently leaving in terms of what they think about this particular stock. And you could also participate if you'd like. And then if you just keep scrolling over, you can see more analytics. They give you analyst rating on whether or not you should purchase or what you should do with the stock. And then this is my favorite part right here. So it shows you how much per share that you will make for dividend investing and what the pay date is and the declaration date. And then scrolling down, you can see more information. So a lot of information just here, just off of the interface that you get just on the app itself, which is pretty awesome because I've been using sites like Dividend.com just to do some background research, but I like having the WeBull app in addition to the Robinhood app on my phone, just so that I could use both. And my larger portfolio is currently on Robinhood, but I'm just kind of playing with WeBull at the moment. And so far, I'm really liking it. And the way that it's presenting me all of the information, and the performance tab is amazing, just being able to show you how much you've made. And obviously, I bought a little too early when I actually downloaded this app. And unfortunately, I am at a loss with my current portfolio because I did decide to invest in some oil stocks and electric company and taking a loss for it at the moment. So to look at if you're planning on downloading and using the WeBull app for dividend investing. And let me just show you guys the trade feature real quick. So going back to Ford, and let's say I want to place an order on Ford. So you'll see at the very bottom here, you'll see the trade option. And then you'll see all the various options that you could create your order. You could do a limit order, and then say I want to purchase it at $4.40 per share, and then I could select the quantities right there. And I could also do a market order. You could also trade options on WeBull, which is amazing. Like, I can't believe that there's just so much packed into this little app here. So Let me know what you guys think. What's your experience with WeBull? And if you guys are thinking about giving it a try, again, my referral link is in the description below. Feel free to check it out for 2 free stock. All right, let's see what free stock we got. Going to menu, clicking on my free stock. And at the very top, you can see, congratulations, you have some free stocks. So I'm gonna click on get. And nice, another share of that, which actually pays a dividend. So I'm pretty happy about that. And let's see what else we get. I'm sure it's just gonna give us, ooh, snap, nice. All right, what else are we gonna get? Another one of those. And the final one shall be another snap. Awesome. All right, good stocks this time around. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.